Good morning, students. I am very glad to meet you in this session through online. I hope you are safe in your home. Now you are going to keep your foot on 10th standard. A warm welcome to all my children. Students, you have to concentrate in your studies. So, our school management arranged these online classes for the only welfare of students. I request all the students to utilize these opportunities. Students, I am Shanti from Social Science Department. Now I will give a small introduction about the subject. Social science. Social science has four branches. You might have learned in your lower classes, is it? Just we can recollect. Students, social science has four branches. They are history, geography, civics, and economics. Now I will explain each branches one by one. Okay. The first one is history. Students, what is history? You everyone know the answer, is it? History is the study of all the events of the past. History is the study of all the events of the past. An example of history is someone telling a story about their past experiences as well as memory, discovery, collection, organization, presentation, and interpretation of information. Okay, an example of history is someone telling a story about their past experiences as well as their memories, some of the person's discoveries, collections, organizations, presentations, and interpretations of information. Okay, then the father of history. Students, do you know who is the father of history? Herodotus is the father of history. Who is the father of history? Herodotus is the father of history. Just you see this picture. He is Herodotus. He is the father of history. He was one of the famous historian. Okay, he was one of the famous historian. Then there are three main branches in history. Okay, there are three main branches in history. The first one is prehistory, the second one is medieval history, and the third one is modern history. There are three main branches in history: prehistory, medieval history, and modern history. Okay, the first one is prehistory. Pre means before. Pre means before. That means in the early history. Okay, early period history. Just you listen. Prehistory is the vast period of time before written records or human documentation. Prehistory is the vast period of time before written records or human documentation. The early period, that means the early people used their food to travel one place to other place, and also the early people main occupation is hunting. The early people's main occupation is hunting, and also they lived in small caves and simple huts. The early people lived in caves or simple huts. The prehistoric period is before 5th century. The prehistoric period is before 5th century, that is up to Neolithic periods are called prehistoric period. Okay, then the second branch is medieval history. The second branch is medieval history. Okay, medieval history is the period of 5th century to 13th century. Okay, 5th century to 16th century. Okay, medieval history. Medieval history is an important era in Indian history for the development in the field of art, languages, culture, and religion. Medieval period is an important era in Indian history for the development in the field of art, languages, culture and religion. Okay, during this period, people travel one place to other place with the help of some of the animals. Okay, during this period, that means during medieval period, the people travel one place to other place with the help of some of the animals. Okay, and also the medieval period is have two types. Medieval period have two types, that is early medieval period and late medieval period. Early medieval period and late medieval period. Early medieval period means during the period of 5th century to 13th century. Early medieval period is 5th century to 13th century. Then late medieval period is 13th century to 16th century. The later medieval period is the beginning of 13th century to 16th century, up to the beginning of Mughal Emperor. Up to the beginning of the Mughal Emperor. Okay. Then the third one is modern history. The third important branch in history is modern history. Modern history means the history from 19th century to up to present day. Okay, 19th century to up to present day. The modern history is divided into two types, that is early modern period and modern period. Early modern period and modern period. Early modern period begins from 16th century to 19th century. 16th century to 19th century. That means 1500 to 1800. That means 18,000 up to 18,000 year period is called early modern period. During this period, the printing press was introduced and many discoveries were done. Okay. Then the second one is modern period. That means new modern period. This period is begins from 19th century until today. Okay, this period is started from 19th century until today. Okay, during this period, there was great revolution in industries and also many more changes in discoveries, renaissance, etc. Okay, anyway, the history has three branches. They are prehistory, medieval history, modern history. Now you clear about this topic history. Okay, this history. Then the next one is geography. Okay, the next branch is geography. Geography is the study of world surface, physical qualities, climate, population, products, etc. Students, what is geography? Geography is the study of world's surface, physical qualities, climate, population, products, etc. Okay. The word geography is derived from the Greek word geo and graphos. The word geography is derived from the Greek word geo and graphos. Geo means the earth and graphos means graphi, to write about. Okay. Then the father of geography is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes. Students, just you see this picture. He is Eratosthenes. Eratosthenes is the father of geography. He was one of the Greek scholar. Okay, he was one of the famous Greek scholar. He was mentioned as the father of geography. Okay, and also there are two main branches in geography. There are two main branches in geography. They are human geography and physical geography. There are two main branches in geography. They are human geography and physical geography. Okay, the first one is human geography. Is it? The first one is human geography. Human geography is the study of interrelationship between people, place, environment, etc. Students, human geography is the study of interrelationship between people, place, environment, etc. Okay. Then the second main branch is physical geography. Physical geography is the study of Earth's surface, animals, planets, etc. Okay, the second main branch is physical geography. Physical geography is the study of Earth's surface, animals, planets, etc. Okay, then the third important branch is civics. Okay, the third important branch is civics. Now, civics is the study of the rights and duties of citizenship of a society. What is civics? Civics is a study of the rights and duties of citizenship of a society. Okay. Now, who is the father of civics? Do you know? Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin is the father of civics. Students, just you see this picture. He is Benjamin Franklin. He is called as the father of civics. Okay, he is the founder of America. He was the founder of America. Okay, then the fourth branch is economics. The fourth branch is economics. Okay, what is economics? Economics is the study or principles of the way money, business, industry and organized. Students, listen very careful. What is economics? Economics is the study or principles of the way money, business, industry and organization, and also economics is the study with production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Economics is the study with production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. Okay. Students, do you know who is the father of economics? Adam Smith. Okay, Adam Smith is the father of economics. Students, just you see this picture. He is Adam Smith. He is Adam Smith. He is the father of economics. Okay, he is the father of economics. He is one of the Scottish economists. He is one of the Scottish economists. Okay, okay, students. Now I hope you are clear about all these branches. Okay, students. Now I'll give some basic about our nation. Okay, you clear about the subject, that means social science has four branches. They are history, geography, civics and economics, and the main branches of that four branches also you learned. Now I'll give some basic about our nation. Okay, students, before that let me ask you some general question. Okay, the first question is, which is our nation? The first question is, which is our nation? You everyone know the answer, is it? India is our nation. Okay, which is our nation? India is our nation, is it? Then the second important question. Okay, which is the capital of India? You everyone know the answer, is it? Which is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India, is it? Okay, very good. Then the third question is, how many states are there in India? The third question is, how many states are there in India? The answer is 29. There are 29 states in India. There are 29 states in India. Before that, only 28 states are there. But at present, there are 29 states are there. One new state is Telangana. Okay, Telangana is one of the 29th state. Which is the 29th state? Telangana. Telangana is the 29th state. Okay. Then when the Telangana state was formed, do you know? 2nd June 2014. Okay. The 29th state, Telangana, was formed 2nd June 2014. From Andhra Pradesh, they separated Telangana, one new state. Okay. Okay, students. The next question. How many union territories are there in India? How many union territories are there in India? At present, there are 8 union territories. As 2021 report, okay, as 2021 report, there are 8 union territories in India. Students, do you know what are the 8 union territories in India? Just shall we remember that? The first one is Andaman and Nicobar. Second one is Chandigarh. Third one is Dadra and Nahar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Fourth one is Delhi. Fifth one is Jammu Kashmir. Sixth one is Lakshadweep. Seventh one is Ladakh. And the eighth one is Puducherry. I will repeat, students. What are the 8 union territories in India? Andaman and Nicobar, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nahar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Delhi, Jammu Kashmir, Lakshadweep, Ladakh and Puducherry. Okay. Then the next question is, which is our state? This is very important question. Which is our state? We everyone know, is it? Tamil Nadu is our state. Tamil Nadu is our state. Next, one of the important question. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Is it? M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. When he was appointed as Chief Minister, we everyone know the answer. On 7th May 2021, when M.K. Stalin was appointed as a Chief Minister, on 7th May 2021. Okay. Then the next one is very important question. Who appointed the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Who has the power to appoint the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? Who has the power? The governor of the state. Okay, the governor of the state has the power to appoint the chief minister. So, who appointed the chief minister of Tamil Nadu? The chief minister of Tamil Nadu was appointed by the governor of Tamil Nadu. Who is the governor of Tamil Nadu? Banwarilal Purohit. Banwarilal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Who is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? M.K. Stalin is the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. The Governor of the state was appointed the Chief Minister. The Governor of Tamil Nadu was Banwarilal Purohit. Banwarilal Purohit is the Governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, students, anyway, you know about our country or our nation. So, now let us come forward to the point. Okay, now let us come forward to the point. Now, just you see this political map. Okay, just you see this political map. This is the map of India. This is the map of India. Okay, political map of India. This is the political map of India. Just you see that 29 states are given here. Okay, in this map, 29 states are given. Okay, that states, students, just you find out the 29 states and its capital by this map. Okay, now I will give some information about our nation. Our country is India. Our nation is India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. India is located in the continent of Asia. India is located in the continent of Asia. And also, India accounts 2.4% of total area in the world. India accounts 2.4% of total area in the world, and also the total area of India are 32,87,263 square kilometer. The total area of India are 32,87,263 square kilometer. Okay, then India's land and water frontiers. That means India has 3 sides oceans. Okay, India shares 15,200 kilometer long land frontier, and also In one sides are surrounded by some of the country and remaining three sides are surrounded by oceans. First of all, I am going to explain the neighboring countries of India. Okay, the neighboring countries of India, Pakistan, Afghanistan are in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay, now listen very careful. Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, and Bangladesh, Myanmar in the east. Okay, and also India is separated by Himalayas from the rest of the continent. Okay, India is separated by the Himalayan mountain from the rest of the continent. Now, just you see the map, students. Here, Himalayan mountain is mentioned in the rose color. Okay, in the rose color mentioned Himalayan mountain. This Himalayan mountain is separated the rest of the continent. India was separated by this Himalayan mountain from the rest of the continent. Okay, then the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan are in northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in north, and Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay, just you see this map, students. Here mentioned the neighboring countries of India, Pakistan and Afghanistan. Just you see the map, Pakistan is there, is it? In the northwest, Pakistan is there. This Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. Then just you see the northern side, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Okay, China, Nepal, Bhutan are in the north of India. Then just you see the eastern side of that map, Bangladesh and Myanmar is in the east. Okay, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay, then the longest border is Bangladesh and the shortest border is Afghanistan. The longest, India's longest border is Bangladesh and the shortest border is Afghanistan. Okay, students, India's longest border, Bangladesh, that is 4,156 kilometer. Okay, then shortest border is Afghanistan, that is 106 kilometer, only 106 kilometer. Okay, then India's three sides are surrounded by oceans. India's three sides are surrounded by oceans. Just you see this map, students. India's three sides are surrounded by oceans. Now, in the southern side, Indian oceans are there. India's southern side, in the south side, Indian oceans are there. Then in the east, Bay of Bengal is there. In the east, Bay of Bengal is there. In the west, Arabian Seas are there. Is it? Did you see the map, students? Here they mention the boundaries of India. That means the three oceans of India. Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay. Then the total length of the coastline of India is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, including all the islands, the total length of the coastline of India is including the island of including 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, then Sri Lanka separated India separated by Paul Straits. Sri Lanka and India and Sri Lanka are separated by Paul Strait. India and Sri Lanka is in middle. Paul Strait is there. This Paul Strait is separated India and Sri Lanka. Okay, can you understand, students? Now you learnt India is the seventh largest country and it is the second largest country in Asia. Seventh largest country in the world and second largest country in Asia. Then which mountain is separated by India from rest of the continent? Himalayan mountain. Okay, Himalayan mountain is separated by India from rest of the continent. Okay, then what are the neighboring countries of India? Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, Bhutan in the north, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Okay. Which is the longest border in India? Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh is the longest border in India. Then which is the shortest border in India? Afghanistan. Okay, Afghanistan is the shortest border of India. Then India's three sides are surrounded by oceans, is it? What are the three oceans surrounded by India? Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and Arabian Sea. Okay, Indian Ocean in the south, Arabian Sea in the west, and Bay of Bengal in the east. Okay, then India and Sri Lanka are separated by Palk Strait. Okay, India and Sri Lanka are separated by Palk Strait. Okay, these are the instructions today's class I gave. Then remaining the next class I will give students today's worksheet. That means today's homework is you will buy one outline map and you have to do the 29 states in the outline map of India. Okay, in the outline map of India, you have to do the 29 states. That means you have to draw the 29 states, color it, and you have to write the state's name and its capitals names also. You have to write and submit. Okay, okay, students, we will meet the next class. Thank you.